For years, Microsoft Excel has been a cornerstone of data analysis and management. However, with the rapid advancements in artificial intelligence, AI, Excel is evolving beyond its traditional role. AI is no longer a futuristic concept confined to research labs. It's now an accessible tool that's revolutionizing how we work with spreadsheets. AI-powered features are being seamlessly integrated into Excel, offering a new level of automation, insight, and predictive power. Imagine Excel automatically recognizing patterns in your data, suggesting insightful charts, cleaning inconsistent data entries, and even forecasting future trends. That's the power of AI in action. This integration isn't about replacing your Excel skills, it's about augmenting them. Instead of spending countless hours manually cleaning data or struggling to identify meaningful patterns, AI empowers you to do more in less time.